In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Wix account, how to delete your Wix.com account, deactivating Wix, account tutorial. If you're certain you no longer need your Wix presence, I'll walk you through the exact path to close your account. Closing your account is permanent and removes access to your sites, media, and billing history. Before you begin, consider downloading any files you might want later and saving copies of important content like pages, images, invoices, or contact lists. Make sure you're already signed in to Wix in your browser. Start on the Wix Studio Sites dashboard. You can get there by going to the Wix Studio Sites page after logging in. From this dashboard, open your account menu in the top right corner and go to Account Settings. This is where your personal details and security options live, and it's also where you'll find the option to close the account. Inside Account Settings, look for Close Your Account and click it. That takes you to the dedicated Close Account page. On this page, click the button that begins the closure process to move forward. Wix will ask why you're leaving. Choose something else to continue without selecting a predefined reason. A small text box will appear. Type a brief explanation if you'd like. This note simply provides feedback to Wix and won't affect the outcome. Click the button to proceed. Before finalizing, open the section labeled Before You Delete. Read this carefully. It explains what will be removed and what must be resolved first. For example, if you have active premium subscriptions, connected domains, mailboxes, or other paid services, Wix will prompt you to handle those before allowing the account to be closed. That's normal. Follow any on-screen notices until the page indicates you're ready to continue. If you need any of that data later, now is the time to export or transfer it. When you're confident you understand the implications, click Close Account. Confirm any prompts that appear. You may be asked to re-enter your password or verify through email or your device. This is a standard security step. After you confirm, your closure request is submitted and you'll be signed out. In many cases, you'll also see an on-screen confirmation that the process has started. And that's it. You navigated from the Sites page, opened Account Settings, selected Close Your Account, chose something else, added a note, reviewed before you delete, and clicked Close Account to finish. If your goal was only to remove a single site, remember you can delete or transfer a site without closing the entire account.